In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a to-do app in Glide. If you're new to Glide, it's a platform that lets you create simple, functional apps fast, right in your browser. We'll keep things straightforward so you understand not just what to click, but why each step matters. First, go to Glide in your web browser. You'll need to sign in to your account to access the app builder. Signing in ensures your work is saved to your dashboard and can be edited anytime. Once you're in, look for the New App button on your dashboard and click it. Glide Now asks how you want to begin. You can start from scratch, which gives you a blank canvas and full control over the structure, or you can pick a to-do template if you want a head start with common fields already set up. Either choice leads to the same goal. Pick the one that matches your comfort level. Then click Create App to open the builder. On the left sidebar, you'll find your data area. Click to add a table. Think of a table as the database behind your app. This is where all your to-dos will live and stay organized. Give this new table a clear name so it's easy to recognize in your project. Name the table Tasks. With the table created, it's time to add the key columns that define each item in your list. Add a column for task name to capture what needs to be done. Add a due date column so you can see deadlines at a glance. Using a date type helps Glide understand and display dates consistently. Finally, add a status column to track progress. You can keep this as simple text, or define a small set of values like to do, in progress, and done to keep things tidy. Keep your column names short and descriptive so they're easy to map to screens later. Remember, you can always edit column names or types if you need to refine them. When your table looks good, head to the top right corner of the builder and click Publish. Publishing makes your app available through a shareable link so others, or just you, can access it on any device. You can continue making edits after publishing. Changes will update without needing to republish each time. And that's it. Your basic to-do app structure is in place. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.